Hello everyone, this is Rishi. Today I am going to tell you most important steps followed by every single entrepreneur to become successful in his business, successful in life. So are you ready to jump into the mind map? The mind map is evolution of entrepreneur, and if you reach out to end of this particular video, then I will be giving you the link to download this mind map. This is extremely important if you are in this journey. Okay, so let's start. Evolution of entrepreneur. The first step of any entrepreneur journey is basically starts from a realization. Your realization that you need to do something. So there are two steps into it. The first step is why I need to do this business, and second one is why world need this business. In any entrepreneurial business, you have to always think about me first, and then problem solved in the world. If you are solving a problem, the chances of getting success is more. Okay, so why you should do it and why you must do it for the world. These two core reasons are extremely important. Okay, so that is the first, or realization. Also follows the principle given by Simon Sinek. It starts with why. And if you are in that journey, if you have already realized it, start the journey. You are already on the step one. Now step two starts from learning. You have to learn a lot of things in the journey. The first thing I'm going to talk about is how do I do it. Learn how do I do it. Like, it's a change in approach, like how exactly currently the things are going on, and can I bring in a new change. And second thing is how do they do it. So when I'm actually creating my business, my products are available in the market, how it will change the life of my customer, how it will change the experience of my customer. That is learning. So it's gonna actually happen in learning with a lot of other stuff. Cool. So that is learning. That is step number two. So if you are in this, just one caution here. The caution is, in the process of learning, the mind will get comfortable. Mind will actually stops in comfort zone, and you become analysis paralysis diseased person. Don't do that. So don't go into the trap of continuous learning. Remember that perfection is obstacle to progress. If you're not making progress, then you are not creating any business out of it. Simple as that. Okay. So that's the second number. And then third step is market study. It's extremely important to study your market. Yes, that's true. In market study, you have to do two important things. What I represent, what community I represent, what kind of background I represent, what kind of education field I am representing, what kind of corporate I'm representing. All those things you have to categorize first for you. And then when you're facing the problem, when you're solving the problem for people, then you will actually fit in those all brackets, that how this problem gets solved for the person who is similar to me. Got it? So how my product helps my customer. The first customer for me are the people like me. Cool. So this is very important. So market study is extremely important, and there's misstep. Again, don't go in analysis paralysis phase in this phase also. Step number 4 is creation. Now this is the time of creation. You learned about it, you know the approach, you know your experience, you know how you represent yourself, how your product represents in the market. Now the process of creation starts. So in process of creation, you have to create product or system or both. So it can be product creation if you are borrowing a system from someone, system like a franchise. So if you are borrowing a system, then product creation is in your hand. But if you are creating everything from scratch, then the product creation as well as system creation is on your plate. Okay. So you can actually use your mentoring system, okay, or a mentoring system like Passion to Business Transformation to actually create systems. Okay, and you can create your own products. That is the creation process, which is extremely important. Here you have to maintain the quality, because all those problem solvings gonna get a physical realization in this particular phase only. That's the step number 4. If you are in this phase, you are almost done. Okay, so now the big thing starts. The big thing is automation. Automation is making sure that you have enough time for everything. If you are stuck in 16 hours of your time just for manual work or repeated work, okay, or processes, then you are stuck in the same business. If you automate, only then you can progress. Automation means buying time. That's simple. Okay, so automation happens in two ways. One is called automating processes with the help of SOPs, like standard operating procedures. Okay, so SOPs give you that freedom. Okay, so you define the process, and that process is gonna follow every single time. You can do it with humans, you can do it with machines, that's completely fine. But my approach is machine first. Okay, now second one is automating systems. So systems means if you want to automate mailing, okay, emailing to customers, follow up with customers, okay, getting their feedbacks, correct, then sending them product bundles, all these things can be automated with the help of tools. So your tools can help you. If you have a proper mentoring system, you will have a good idea about this. Cool. So that is step number 5. Extremely important to buy your time. Otherwise what happens? Solo entrepreneurs, proprietors end up doing everything themselves, and they don't have time for family or whatever the dream they saw, like for being businessmen, got vanished easily. Okay, that's step number 5. Step number 6, marketing and sales. Extremely important steps. You cannot deny sales in any of these processes. Entrepreneur means sales. You need to know marketing, you need to know sales. That's extremely important. Now there are 2 things you have to learn here. Understand the channels, like what are the channels you can advertise, what are the channels where you can reach your customers, whether it's newspaper, whether it's Facebook, whether it's TV, whether it's radio, whatever channel you want to prefer, go ahead, implement and broadcast. Unless and until you reach out to the customer, no sale happens. No sale, no money. No money, no investment. No investment, no product. No product, no business. And no business, no life. Okay, and then you have to create the strategies as well. So you have to create a proper strategy for sales as well as marketing. Unless you have a strategy, unless you have a plan, basically fail to plan is plan to fail. That's it. That's a simple equation. Okay, that's point number 6. And the last and most important point is nurturing system. So you should, so whenever a customer comes to you, whether it's a form of lead, just showing an interest, or an actual customer who brought the product from you, you need to nurture them. Nurture means making aware about your product, giving benefits of your product, making sure they purchase, and after purchase, continue services. Okay, so just like think about a car shop. You brought a car and they just told like they are not giving service for that car. Do you buy that car then? No. Whenever you are creating a business, make sure that you service them. And service, if your service is good, if your nurturing is good, if your customer is nurtured properly, he will be a loyal customer for you. Okay, so he'll be customer forever and customer loyal to you. And that's the important step because he's a repeating customer as well, and it's a continuous business. Yes, so these are the 7 important steps. The 7 important steps starts from realization, when you realize what is the business, what exactly I have to do, why I have to do that. Learning what actually what is change in approaches and change in experiences. Market study, like what do I represent and what my product represent. Creation, the product creation and system creation. Automation, automating processes, automating systems. And marketing and sales, understand the channels and creating strategies. And nurturing customers, leads as well as customers, so that they will be repeating customers for you. So this is an entire journey of entrepreneur, and if you are stuck somewhere, you know where to reach me. Rishish.co/live. Thanks a lot everyone. Have a good time.